Okay, Dr. Ranganathan, how do you see this? This comparison, reference, context, everything that we've heard so far.
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Pehle to let me congratulate the proud dad, Tehseen, and let me remind him that there is a long line for people waiting to join the BJP, and he is behind Shashi Tharoor. So please, अपना समय से सब होगा, अपना इंतजार करिएगा. इतनी जल्दी नहीं है. But
तुम समय की बात करोगे, then you'll go on my watch, then ED will come, then I'll have to go to BJP, and that will be breaking news. So we don't go there.
No, but Pranesh, look, the fact of the matter is Congress is making it so obvious that the only entity more terrorized and frightened by Modi than Pakistan is actually Congress. But on a serious side, credence is given to any man's utterances only after knowing his antecedents. Is that not true? And over the last decade and a half, we have seen Jairam Ramesh for what he is: industrial scale liar and a hypocrite. If you believe in Jairam Ramesh honestly, then you are one who rubs his nails every morning to cure baldness. Are you? Nahi na? Thank God. God knows. Every time he opens his mouth, a corpse shoots up from the pyre somewhere to search for more wood to expedite the process. Utha le Baba, utha le. His intellect shines like carbon paper in a coal mine. This guy is special. I mean, this is the same guy, Pranesh, I'm not joking, who once went to the most contaminated industrial site in the world, the Union Carbide plant in Bhopal, and picked up a fistful of soil and said, and I quote him now, I am holding the Bhopal Union Carbide waste in my hand and I am still alive. He's the same guy who thought if he could keep on repeating the lie that Ambani was given 30,000 crores and all the Rafale offsets, he would be able to hide the fact that Ambani was given only 850 crores and that the offsets were distributed among 72 companies, HAL included. And recently, there is no other phrase for it, this male au pair of Rahul Gandhi was denigrating Adani Enterprises and crying Adani was steeped in corruption without disclosing that erstwhile Congress-ruled states like Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan are still heavily invested in Adani to the tune of upwards of 85,000 crores. He is the guy who criticized Modi for constructing a new parliament building when he was the one who demanded that a new parliament building be constructed. He is the guy who said electoral bonds are the biggest scam in the world and then refused to answer why the Congress garnered 600 crores through them. He is the guy who criticized Modi for bringing in the 3 farm laws when he was the one who was in the committee for making the Congress 2019 manifesto that promised these very 3 farm laws verbatim. He is the guy who, along with Montek Singh Ahluwalia, backed Manmohan Singh and formulated the new pension scheme and junked the old pension scheme and was then promising to junk the new pension scheme and bring back the old pension scheme in Rajasthan after having done it in Himachal Pradesh, nearly bankrupting the state. This is the problem with him. He is, again, I haven't even come to the EVM. Every time Congress loses an election, he is the one who says EVMs are at fault. But every time Congress wins it, he says there is nothing wrong. Hypocrisy runs in his veins. Please understand, thankfully, it is hypocrisy and not something worse. Considering his disheveled Botox gone wrong Manishankar Iyer look that gives the impression that he's returning from rehab. No, but the fact of the matter is, let us not concentrate on what these Congresses are saying. Let us concentrate on what the new BJP recruit Tehseen Poonawalla is saying.
क्या कर रहे हो?
वो बॉर्डर पे अभी
कोई बॉर्डर पे नहीं हो.
कपिल मदान उनको जाने नहीं देंगे. Kapil, but I want to play out, listen to Jairam Ramesh once. एक बार सुन लीजिए. Maybe आपने जो version सुना होगा वो शायद कुछ अलग होगा. Just listen to Jairam Ramesh.
I don't mind that he goes and worships Mr. Modi. He has been trying to. In fact, he deserves to be declared as a spokesperson of BJP.
एक महीना हो गया. 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम की क्रूर घटना आतंकवाद हमला हुआ था. आज भी वो आतंकवादी यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं. हमारे सांसद भी यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं और आतंकवादी भी यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं. हमारे सांसद भी यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं और आतंकवादी भी यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं.
सुना दिस रेटोरिकल फ्लरिश, द चर्चिलियन फ्लरिश. आतंकवादी भी घूम रहे हैं और हमारे एमपीज भी घूम रहे हैं. इसका क्या मतलब होता है?
Now, इसका मतलब सिर्फ यही होता है, you're just trying to give it a completely different context. What he is trying to say is that we are not able to catch hold of the terrorist and our MPs are on a delegation outside the countries, and they are exposing Pakistan. So that's the only thing.
ओके
That's the
कपिल
only
मदान
thing
ठीक है, अगर मैं आपकी बात मान लूं, अभी आपने बोला एमपीज आर एक्सपोजिंग पाकिस्तान, देन व्हाई आर यू कॉलिंग बीजेपी सुपर स्पोक्स पर्सन शशि थरूर? तो क्यों बोल रहे हैं शशि थरूर इज अ सुपर स्पोक्स पर्सन ऑफ द बीजेपी? आप बताइए.
I don't agree with that. I don't subscribe to that. I am not, supporting that statement. And let's be very honest. When Mr. Tharoor
अनदर
goes up-
एंट्रेंट डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, अनदर एंट्रेंट. ये अब एक और, अब प्रदीप अब क्या करें कंपटीशन?
It will not be on Pranesh. They will name your show as a conversion show. Where you
नहीं नहीं,
convert
मेरे
from
को
one
दूर
party
रखो
to
इससे
another.
भैया, कन्वर्शन से दूर रखो.
Mr. Ranganathan and Pranesh are the culprit here.
मुझे मत लपेटिए. बट देखिए वो बोल, तहसीन कुछ बोल रहे हैं, वो कपिल मदान
I'll
कुछ
tell
बोल
you why. Because all of them at heart are not able to justify and defend Jairam Ramesh. So they are trying to move here and there. I will believe Kapil Madan for an instance if I would not have seen this video of Hafiz Saeed who's saying that he has done guftagu with the Congress.
बात करने वाले भी मौजूद. अभी देखिए कांग्रेस में जो गुफ्तगू हुई है.
So this is Hafiz Saeed saying कि कांग्रेस में गुफ्तगू हुई है. Had it not I seen this video, or if the Congress party's antecedents were not such anti-national, I would have given benefit of doubt to Jairam Ramesh. And in fact, my dear friend Anish, who's asking for a special session, he should recall and remember Sharad Pawarji's statement few days back. And he should also understand a certain amount
No,
of
he is
statement.
not asking for a special session.
There is his friend from the
Alliance,
Congress
yeah.
party alliance. All of them are together. So I give Anish the benefit of doubt. But all of them are asking for a special session. Today the Prime Minister said the Operation Sindoor is ongoing. So we do not want Mr. Ramesh, what he did today, to do it in the parliament. So till the time the Congress party gets Mr. Ramesh in order, I think they should stop asking for a special session.
रवि श्रीवास्तव, देखिए तहसीन पूनावाला और कपिल मदान ने वो क्वालिफाई कर लिया है सर, प्रीलिम्स क्वालिफाई कर लिया इन्होंने. सुपर बीजेपी स्पोक्स पर्सन का फर्स्ट राउंड इन्होंने क्लियर कर लिया.
आप दोनों जो हैं वो दोनों जजेस हैं और इंटरव्यूअर हैं यूपीएससी उसके मेंस के अंदर भी आप लोग बैठेंगे, आप और रंगनाथन जी, और आप ही इंटरव्यू देके मार्क्स देंगे. ये कहना चाह रहे हैं आप?
ये प्रदीप को टेंशन हो रहा है कि बढ़
मैं तो
जाएंगे
बहुत
स्पोक्स
खुश हूं.
पर्सन.
हर राष्ट्रवादी व्यक्ति कहीं से भी जो है, जो राष्ट्र की सेवा करना चाहता है वो भाजपा में आएगा, जो पाकिस्तान की सेवा करना चाहता है वो कांग्रेस में
वो
रहेगा.
राष्ट्रवादी है तो अनिश गवांडे भी तो राष्ट्रवादी है. वो शरद फैक्शन है लेकिन राष्ट्रवादी वो भी हैं, उनको भी ले लीजिए. बट यू नो more seriously,
Supriya is representing India.
well, no, so by that logic, Congress is also insulting Supriya Sule because she said the same thing. Yeah, Dr. Ranganathan saying something. Yes.
देखिए लेट्स गेट सीरियस आउट हियर. आई थिंक 10 साल से लोग कहते आ रहे हैं कि मोदी जी ने बहुत सारे मास्टर स्ट्रोक करे हैं, बट आज मैं पहली बार मान रहा हूं कि ये ऑपोजिशन पार्टी से लोगों को ले जाना और ऑल पार्टी बनाना ये एक्चुअली मास्टर स्ट्रोक है. ये बीजेपी पीछे खड़े होके ये पूरे उससे झरोके से झांक के देख रहे हैं ये आपस में जो लड़ रहे हैं. बट कैन आई गेट सीरियस? Let us imagine if Congress during the UPA had constituted an all-party meeting after 26/11 to go around the world, this delegation, and to say that this is Pakistan is doing, what would they have said? I'll tell you what they would have said. They had said that our Air Force chief begged the then Prime Minister to strike the terror hubs in Pakistan, and I'm sorry. The Prime Minister said, no, we are not going to do it. I'll tell you what they would have said. They would have said that our Prime Minister went to Sharm el-Sheikh and Pakistan demanded that Balochistan be included in there, and India would say we are not going to foment any trouble in Balochistan, and our Prime Minister said all right, we'll insert this. ये बोलते हैं ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन वाले लोग. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. कांग्रेस में बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं, तहसीन है यहां पे, कपिल है, और भी बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेनेवर दे ओपन देयर माउथ दे आर आइदर रेलीगेटेड और दे आर नेवर मेड स्पोक्स पर्सन्स.